Did you know that your gut is often referred to as your second brain? That's because it plays a crucial role in your overall health, including your mood, immune system, and more. Hi, I'm Giuliana, and today we're delving into microbiomes to uncover how what you eat impacts your mental well-being. We'll be working on three main topics today: the gut-brain axis, various animal studies, and diet implications. Let's start with the basics. The gut-brain axis is a complex network of nerve pathways that connect your gastrointestinal tract to your brain. This constant back and forth signaling impacts both your brain and gut function. This connection works through four key pathways: neurological, endocrine, metabolic, and immune. The neurological pathway includes key players like the vagus nerve, which is a network of nerve cells in the GI tract that control digestion and other functions, and the enteric nervous system, which controls the parasympathetic nervous system and sends signals between the brain, heart, and GI tract. It also involves neurotransmitters found within the GI tract, such as serotonin, melatonin, and histamines, which regulate mood, sleep, and even digestion. These neurotransmitters interact with bacteria in our gut to influence our body's response to stress and external stimuli. Next, the endocrine system alters nutrient availability and affects neurological functions such as your sleep-wake cycle, mood, and blood pressure. Ever felt tired or irritable after eating a big meal? That's your endocrine system pathway at work. The metabolic pathway is another crucial piece. Here, short-chain fatty acids, produced by bacterial fermentation of dietary carbs, play a huge role in hormone regulation. These acids can influence everything from energy levels to mental clarity. And finally, the immune pathway. Your gut microbiome helps manage inflammation. However, if your gut bacteria are out of balance, this can increase gut permeability, commonly called leaky gut, leading to inflammation and various health issues. Next, researchers tested various animals by altering their gut bacteria composition, and the animals exhibited significant behavioral changes. This shows the impact of the gut microbiota on brain function and behavior. Poor nutrition has been shown to be a leading cause of behavior issues. With livestock, research examined how the gut microbiota influences stress-related behaviors and growth rates. Pigs, for example, were found to have reduced stress-related behaviors, such as fighting, while also having faster growth rates and an overall better immune system response when their microbiome was balanced with healthier food options. In companion animals, such as dogs and cats, researchers found that probiotic supplements reduced anxiety behaviors like barking, scratching, pacing, and gnawing when alone. While comparing maternal microbiota to their offspring, it was found that offspring whose mothers had a disrupted microbiota had exhibited less social interactions and had a higher stress response level. In one diet, there were rats that were either fed to promote diverse microbiomes or fed a diet that limited their gut bacteria. Rats with limited diversity showed more signs of stress, anxiety, and had a cognitive decline. Meanwhile, rats with a healthier and more diverse microbiome were calmer and performed better in problem-solving tasks. Lastly, mice were also tested to compare how the gut was altered with different antibiotics versus probiotics. Researchers saw that mice with antibiotics were more likely to have a disrupted gut microbiome, while the mice being given probiotics showed improved stress, cognitive behavior, and reduced anxiety. So, how does your diet play into all of this? Let's break it down. There are three dominant types of bacteria in our gut: bacteroids, Prevotella, and Ruminococcus. These bacteria populations are influenced by what you eat. A diet high in protein and saturated fats, common in the Western world, promotes bacteroids. While this supports immune function, it can also increase cardiovascular risks. Along with cardiovascular risks, depression and anxiety are heightened. Around 8% of adults and 15% of youth aged 12 to 17 struggle with depression in the United States, while 31.1% of adults and 7% of youth aged 3 to 17 struggle with anxiety. This can be traced back to the impacts this diet can have on our body as it raises inflammation. Similarly, the Western diet has detrimental effects on brain health due to damaging the blood-brain barrier. Diets high in saturated fats can disrupt the barrier that protects the brain from harmful substances. This can lead to a potential decline in cognitive ability. On the other hand, a plant-rich, high-fiber diet promotes Prevotella. This bacteria helps reduce inflammation by producing short-chain fatty acids, making it a key player in gut health. One of the healthiest, well-known diets is the Mediterranean diet. Lastly, a diet dominated by simple sugars and protein encourages ruminococcus. While it's the most common around the world, it leads to the least diverse microbiome, increasing the risks of inflammatory bowel diseases, leaky gut, and even neurological disorders. This can disrupt neurotransmitting signaling, leading to mood changes, heightened anxiety, and depression. So, what's the takeaway? There's a reason your gut is called the second brain. Its health doesn't just affect digestion, it significantly influences your mood, energy, and overall well-being. By making mindful choices about what you eat, you're not just nourishing your body, you're also taking care of your mind. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments how you're supporting your gut health. Thanks for watching.